Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for your daily dose of sugar.
Hi everyone, this is Shubhi MUA and welcome to SUGAR's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create this peachy dewy makeup look. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Starting off with the primer, I'm using Base of Glory primer and I'm applying it all over my face. And I'll let it sit for a while. Until then, I will take care of my brows. Using our Arrival 3-in-1 brow pencil in the shade Cherry Brown, I'll use the spoolie and brush down the hair, trace the shape of my brows, and I'll just make tiny hair-like strokes just to give it a natural shape. Now to define the shape and structure of my brows, I'm going to use a little bit of concealer using a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to carve out the shape of my brow. As you can see, this small step itself makes a huge difference. Using another brush, I will just buff out the edges, and there you go. For my base, I'm using a Face Foundation Stick in the shade 35 Frappe. I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck. And along with that, I will also apply SUGAR Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade Pink Trippin. I will apply it all over my face, and with the help of a foundation brush, I will mix it too. This step will give me a very nice and dewy base. Then I'll be using two different shades of concealers, one to conceal and one to highlight. The one that I'm using to conceal is in the shade 40 Breve, and I'm applying it only where I can see some darkness or where I need some coverage. Now to highlight, I'm going to use the Magic Wand Concealer in the shade 30 Chocosino, and I'll apply it on the highest points of my face and will buff it out again using a foundation brush. To add further dimension and structure to my face, I'm going to contour my face using the Face Foundation Stick in the shade 65 Espresso, and I'm going to apply it wherever needed. And I will buff it out just to make it look seamless and as natural as possible. While blending the contour, make sure that you're not dragging the product. It is always better to use dabbing motions because that gives you a really flawless finish. Now to add a natural flush, I'm going to use Metal Satin Lipstick in the shade Diana, and I'm going to apply this lipstick on my cheeks, chin and my nose. And with the same dabbing motion, I'm going to blend it further. Now to lock my base, I'm going to use two different types of powders. I'm using the powder clay, translucent powder and all set to go banana powder. Then I will bronze up my face using this mini bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. I will apply this in order to add some warmth and definition. I'll then be using a mini blush in the shade Coral Climax, and with the help of a fluffy brush, I will apply the blush wherever required. The base is done. I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to use Blend the Rules Eyeshadow Palette in the style Flawless. And my first transition shade is going to be this coral shade. I'm going to use a blending brush. I love how beautifully it's blending. To add more dimension, I'm going to use the earthy orange color and I'm going to place it onto my crease just to define it more. And I'm going to drag the same colors down to my lower lash line. And then on my lid, I'm going to apply this matte eyeshadow in the shade Cream. And to highlight my inner corners, I'm going to use Champagne Gold. With the help of a flat brush, I'm going to apply it onto my inner corners. Then I'll use the waterproof eyeliner in the shade Albi Black, and I'll draw a winged eyeliner. I also added some falsies off screen, and now it's time for some mascara. I'm going to use the Limitless mascara in the shade Black with a Bang, and that's it. It's time for some lipstick, and I'm going to use Nothing Else Matter lipstick in the shade 15 Beige Turner. It's a beautiful terracotta shade and I think it will suit most of the skin tones. And now to set my base, I'm going to use the Grand Finale Dewy Setting Spray. I'm really in love with this setting spray because it not only sets your makeup but also gives you a dewy finish. You don't even need a highlighter with this one. So yep, this is the final look and I hope you like this look, and if you do, then please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.